When you're talking about creating the perfect environment in the home, you've got to make sure that it's actually tailored to the consumer's needs. Whether it's colour, light blockage, whether it's light filtering, one of the benefits you've got to offer is that choice where people can actually tailor the environment to their desired requirement. Their home is their castle. We need to offer products that actually suit every individual requirement. So Wynstan is a custom manufacturer, which means we're actually producing a product that fits everyone's specific window exactly.
We can provide you with the fly screens on your windows, your security doors. We can provide you with the roller blinds, the curtains, any sort of blind you literally now want in your window, we can do. You know, we manufacture 250,000 different products of different sizes, different shapes every year. We're from beginning to end, and we take responsibility for it. Everyone has to be measured, everyone has to be manufactured, and everyone has to be installed.
I think it's easy for the consumer. They've got the reliability of a company that actually makes and manufactures, delivers those products that they're actually retailing. The benefit of a good blind product is you can actually adapt the blind to adapt your space to your home environment. What we're aiming to do is make that journey for the consumer as easy as possible. It's all about making sure that what we deliver at the end, we're controlling from A to Z. I think one of the amazing things about the company is it really is a family business. My dad started the business some 54 years ago. It makes it generational, and we treat everyone as part of the Wynstan family.
What makes us different to the rest of the marketplace is actually our employees and the heart for the business. I'm proud of it. I'm proud of the people that are in it, and I'm proud of all the families and everybody's in it.
It's a privilege to actually have the Australian-made logo on the Wynstan product. It's an iconic brand. It's been around for years and years, and I think it's quite exciting to be trusted by Australian families. And it's one of those things that gets me up every morning, that we can actually make a difference in people's lives, because they understand that the product they're purchasing is designed to suit the environment, to suit the light, the heat, and the UV that the Australian environment produces.
The Australian-made logo is really, really important to the whole of Australia, let alone Wynstan. We can manufacture cheaper and better than everybody else, and we can do that right here. People can buy the product and think, well, they're supporting us, we're doing it together. There is so much to have together as a team in Australia, and that's what makes me proud to turn up to work every day. I'm Bruce from Wynstan, and we are Australian-made.